how are you? I'm Piyajita. Welcome to my channel Little Explorer Advika. Today we are going to do Bombay Sandwich fireless cooking. Today my friend is joining in this fireless cooking.
Good morning everyone. My name is Shanvika. I'm studying in class 3.
This Bombay Sandwich we need of bread, onions, keera and tomato. Save, chaat masala, green chutney, butter, sauce, tomato sauce. Now let us cut another slices. Take some butter and apply some butter to the bread.
Apply some butter to the bread.
Now apply some green sauce. This is very tasty, I think so.
Apply green chutney.
Let's place the cucumber. Hey, it's mine. Place onions. Now place tomatoes. Sprinkle some chaat masala. Sprinkle some chaat masala. Now let us put another bread slice on the top. Sprinkle some save. This is going to be good. Put some tomato sauce. Let us put only some. Cut it into 4 equal halves. Cut it into 4 equal parts. It's spreading.